Hey friends, if you've been following Harvick Farms for a while, you know that we grow more than just plants. We grow food, build communities, offer education classes, and really try to solidify what we're doing with multiple farmers here in our community and providing nutritious food and education to allow people to grow on their own as well. We've had tons of FFA kids, youth that have come and do farm tours. We've done adult education classes and so much more. And we're just getting started. Over the last 4 years, we have really transitioned the garden nursery into more of a food hub. And so what I'm about to ask is a big ask. And honestly, I'm a little afraid to ask. So water is such of importance. If you don't have water, your plants are not going to grow. And since we have gotten the nursery and on that farm, we have had well issues since the very first year. And once again, we're in the middle of summer. And even though we have spent thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on redoing the wiring for the well again, replacing the pump twice, having to get a new retention tank to hold the water, which unfortunately at the timing, we had to get a smaller retention tank because we just couldn't afford it. And so we're here again. But now what I'm asking is to see if the community will be willing to come together to help us truly fix instead of patchwork our well. All those thousands and thousands, honestly, is just what we could afford at the time to keep the water up and going. And once again, we're in year now 4, and 3 days ago, we lost any pressure whatsoever to our well. Actually, the well guy is at our place right now, pulling 500 feet and trying to identify and replace the pump. And it's not cheap. Just to pull a well pump is at minimum $500 in order for a well technician to pull it out of the ground. And then that's not including the labor. And so that's an additional cost. Then the pump itself, which we've replaced 2 before, but we've always had to replace it with a smaller pump because that's what we could afford. And so we have tried to get a little bit of a larger horsepower pump in hopes, but it's so costly. And in order to continue to grow food for the community, and in order to continue to have enough food where we can continue to accept farmers market benefits and WIC benefits and SNAP and double up food bucks, it's great to have all those avenues in order to help people purchase food, but when we can't water our plants in order to grow food, it makes it difficult. So removing that barrier means nothing if we don't have the produce in order to sell. And we're not going to have produce to sell if we don't have a proper irrigation system to do that. And so we have already this year have sold over 2,000 pounds worth of food. And that's in contributing with other farmers as well, because that's the whole purpose of this food hub we're trying to create. But we have already started to move our greenhouses into food production over the last year and a half. Our goal is to get to 10,000 pounds next year. And I think, and I feel and believe we can do that if we had a proper irrigation system. But we're never going to be able to continue to move forward if we go 2 steps forwards and 3 steps back, because we're constantly having to repair the well. So here's my ask. And it's a really hard one, but it is for the community. Please help us fund and contribute in the unexpected cost, again, for the 4th year for the irrigation repair, and help us do it right. So we can go from 2,000 pounds to 10,000 pounds in a year and make this work to the best of abilities for our local farmers, but in addition for our community, our individuals that need that food security. That's what we're trying to solve. And so we asked today, it's $4,400 to just be able to pull the wire, do the fees of the labor, and change the pump. That's $2,200. The remaining amount is the water retention, which is huge because if you don't have enough of a retention tank, then your pump is running a lot. And that's essentially what happened to that pump. It was on a smaller retention tank, and so once it went through all that water, the pump would have to work harder. And you have to have enough pressure in order to do that. So even here, we have irrigation lines and drip irrigation for water conservation, and we do all of our best to really minimize the amount of water that we are wasting. And so this would help us with the retention in order to maintain and keep a pump for 20 years instead of 1 year. So that's where the other $2,000 comes from, is the cost of a larger retention tank. I come to you all right now in a very vulnerable place, asking if we could come together and be able to repair this well properly and be able to grow the food and make the bigger community impact that I know we can do. So thank you all for listening today. My name is Lainey from Harvick Farms in Casper, Missouri, and I hope we can gain your support, whether it's the financial support, whether it's being able to just hoorah together and be able to get this. I greatly appreciate it. You all have a wonderful day.